Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. I'm a little aggravated today. Carburetor for my Time Master is supposed to be here. And I know there's nothing wrong with my carburetor, but somebody paid me very handsomely to use my existing carburetor off my Time Master and put it on theirs because they were in a jam. Now, a new carburetor was $16. GPS said it was supposed to show up today, and it didn't, but since I already did my weed whacking, I have to cut the grass. So I guess it's a good excuse to see what this lawn boy is all about. And we're going to see how it stripes. And I'm just at a loss of words. Bastards. It's a 20-inch cut. So we're going to see how I can do my lines. Because remember, with the Time Master, I'm very limited, I'm A-okay with that. Alright, so let's just see how it does. Cutting Kentucky tall fescue. I will not be bagging, I will be mulching. So hopefully we'll just be doing one cut. Alright guys, check out the stripes. Actually not too bad for no striping kit. Not too bad. No striping kit and no flap on the back, which does help actually. A little flap on the back, you guys think that the flex stuff, that actually helps you lay down some stripes. So this is what I do when I go off-site. I just do regular up and down pattern. So with the Time Master, I get a couple of good stripes and my lawn is done, which is fine. But I'm curious, with a smaller lawnmower, how do I fare? Now, because if you guys watched the video, I cut it on the highest setting because we had a lot of growth. But then if you guys seen, I double cut it and I went the opposite direction at one level setting lower. Now, the lawnmower at first I thought felt a little too fast, but I guess, Lawnboy really has it down packed that with that size edge and with the 20-inch deck and their universal blade on there that you can mulch or bag with, actually cut pretty good. Let's go back down the street view and then we'll take an up top view. So, overall, I'm not going to lie, I am pretty much impressed. And I'm curious if I was able to lay some diamonds. I won't know that until I go up top. Now also, the sun really isn't out, and that would really complement the grass. So let's take a walk upstairs. Let's see what we got. Still babysitting my brother today. Right, Romeo? Oh, good boy. Okay, we'll give you some loving. Alright, let's go upstairs. Let's see what we got. Up and around we go. Alright. What do you guys see here? Alright, so the diamonds actually aren't too bad. Probably the best diamonds that I've ever laid. But let's just see what tomorrow brings. See if I publish this video or not, or I'll just throw in a video later. But honestly, I'm okay with it. Oh well, let me know what you guys think, man. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.